The large floor Rockery fountain living room interior feng shui wheel humidifier is an exquisite piece of decor that combines the elements of nature, tranquility, and the ancient art of feng shui. This unique ornament is designed to enhance the aesthetics and ambience of your living room while promoting a sense of harmony and well-being. The centerpiece of this ornament is a large floor Rockery fountain, meticulously crafted to resemble a natural mountain landscape. The rocks are arranged in a strategic manner, creating a visually pleasing and harmonious composition. Water flows down the rocks, creating a soothing and gentle sound reminiscent of a flowing mountain stream. Adding to the charm and functionality of this ornament is the incorporation of a feng shui wheel. The wheel is positioned within the rockery, and as water flows over it, it activates the principles of feng shui, which is believed to bring positive energy and balance to the surrounding environment. The wheel symbolizes the continuous flow of energy and good fortune. Furthermore, this ornament serves a practical purpose as a humidifier. The flowing water creates a natural humidifying effect, adding moisture to the air and helping to improve the overall air quality in your living space. This is especially beneficial in dry climates or during winter months.